I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And today,
we are going to draw a hot air balloon.
Woo! Who's ever been on a hot air balloon?
Not me.
Me neither. But you know what? We've seen a bunch of hot air balloons, right? Driving in the car, we've seen hot air balloons.
Oh yeah, like 3 or 4 or 5 or 6.
Floating around in the sky on a really nice summer day. So how about today we'll draw.
Sometimes not even on summer days. Like
sometimes it's on cold days, that's true. But it's usually a beautiful day. Okay, so for that, let's get our papers, markers, pens, whatever you have, and let's get started. Okay, so for the hot air balloon, we're gonna make a balloon shape, which is bigger on the top and more narrow as it comes down towards the bottom, okay? So we're gonna make a pretty round shape like that.
That's fast.
Yeah. Like that, okay? Make it big on the top, round, and then you can make the curve. Whoa, that's gonna be a big long balloon. And then go down towards, yep, and then more in as you go down. So try to make these the bottom parts more in. So now round them in a little bit. Yep, that one more in towards the right. And the other one more down towards the left. Okay? And then we're gonna connect the bottom parts of the balloon like that. Yep. And then we're gonna add some string parts that are gonna come down so that the balloon can connect down towards the basket. So like that. So 2 lines, kind of narrow at an angle going down in. Yep. And then we're gonna connect these 2 lines also, like that.
A lot of connecting lines.
A lot of, yeah, we're gonna keep doing that. And then we're gonna basically make the basket. So we're gonna make kind of like a curvy. I'm gonna make mine a little bit curvy on one side and on the other side like that. Yep. And then again, we're gonna connect the bottom like that. So already.
A lot of connecting already.
Yeah, already what does it look like to you? Does it already start to look a little bit like a hot air balloon?
Yeah.
Almost.
Not really.
Not yet. Okay, so then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make like a little bit of a tiny round line from here to here. This is just to show that there's something inside this basket.
Or maybe like it's just the other side.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's the other side, the back of the basket. So, and then let's see. How about we add a little bit more detail to the basket just to make it more fun? Maybe we'll make a line here. And then how about maybe some like flags? I was thinking maybe some triangle shapes.
Yeah.
So maybe like that.
They're kind of complicated.
Like that. Hanging down off the, and this one doesn't have to go all the way, you know, the same line. It just keeps going all the way around just to decorate it and make it fun.
Maybe more.
Yeah, those are cute. Triangles. And you can make other ribbons, you can make lines. I'm gonna add a few more details. I'm just gonna make maybe another line down here and another line down there on the bottom of the basket. I think that's it for my basket down there. And then let's actually add another line coming down behind the basket. So it looks like there's also some rope connecting the balloon to the basket. So I'm gonna make one over here going down to this part. Yep. And then another one over here down to that part. Okay, so it's just right there, right behind it. And then now it looks like it's actually a hot air balloon, right? It looks like the ropes are holding the balloon and the basket together. Okay, now let's actually add, I think let's add one more line that's from here to here, just to make it like there's a connection difference between the balloon and the bottom of the balloon, the top of the balloon. Yeah. Okay, now this is where it gets more fun and interesting. This is where we can start decorating our hot air balloons, okay? I'm gonna do something a little bit simple. I'm just gonna make some curvy lines going down like this and maybe some ribbons, but you guys can decorate whatever way you want. That's the fun thing about hot air balloons. When you see them outside, you see them with, you know, lines, zigzags, polka dots, circles, whatever you want, even pictures.
Usually sometimes I see like ribbons and curvy ribbons.
Yeah, ribbons,
So I
curvy
usually
things.
see it.
So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do it like this. So I'm gonna make a line that's gonna be somewhere around the center and a curvy line going from the top towards the bottom, like that. And then maybe hold the paper so it doesn't move. Yeah, so then you have more control. And then curve down in. Yep. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side, but the other direction. So going out and then in. Yeah, and I'm gonna do the same thing over here. So I'm gonna start like somewhere over here. I'm gonna do the same thing where it curves out and then in.
And then
In, and then halfway between this side and this side, find the middle part and do the same thing going in, like that. Beautiful. Okay, and then how about maybe we divide this in, like not in half, but maybe the top portion. So we'll make a line from here to there, like that. Yeah. And then maybe some kind of like ribbony things going all the way, so you can make these U shapes that go connect from one part to the other, like that. Just to add a little bit more fun decoration to that. Yeah. There you go.
I'm just making 5.
Beautiful. And then I think I want to do the same thing closer towards the bottom. So I'm going to again make another line that goes from here, kind of curves up to there, like that. Yep, and then the same thing. We're going to do these like U-shaped curves that go like this and connect each section of this like that and like that. There we go. Ta-da! What does that look like to you? Hot air balloon. How about we add a few more fun details, like maybe some clouds to make it look like it's up in the sky. So I'm gonna add maybe a cloud right here. So I'm gonna make a line that goes from here out to here. And then some puffy parts for the top that are like upside down U shapes. So kind of watch like that, like that. And they can be any height you want, up, down, sideways. Well, not sideways, but just curves. Yeah, let's make maybe another one somewhere over here in the distance. So maybe like that. And then just make any shapes you want for the top. Puffy shapes. Yeah, beautiful. And then I'm gonna make maybe one more that's coming out from here. And then like that. So it definitely looks like it's up floating in the sky now, right?
Yeah.
And I think what I can also do is like maybe make it look like there's a mountain kind of. So what we'll do from there is maybe make a line that's kind of zigzaggy a little bit. It's not perfect. I'm just gonna stop right there like that. So start from the bottom and work your way up and down and up and down and kind of like, it's not perfect. And then just make long lines towards the left. Yeah. There you go. And that's it. We made our hot air balloon.
Yeah.
And now we're going to move on to coloring, but you guys can actually add even more details if you want to add some other pictures or other decorations, maybe birds flying, trees. There's so many cool things that you can add to this drawing, not just the hot air balloon. So we're going to speed up the video, color in, and then come back and see how we finished. Ready?
Yeah.
right, so here we have our finished hot air balloons. Lila, let's see what yours looks like. Very nice. Yours is pink as usual.
Yeah.
I think you have a color that you like. What do you think?
Yeah. My favorite color is white, then pink.
White and pink. Very nice.
And
then I
purple,
have,
and then blue.
and then purple and blue. I can see that. So you have purple, blue, white, and pink. Yep, those are your colors.
Brown.
So here we have also my hot air balloon. I kept mine more in the orange, bluish family. And yeah, I also colored in the mountain. And like I said, you guys can add other fun details like birds, you know, maybe people, maybe draw yours in a little bit differently. You can have as much fun as you want with this. Be as creative as you can. So thank you so much for doing this exercise with us, and we really hope you enjoyed it. And we would love to see how yours turned out. So please take a photo and share with us. The information for how to do that is below the video. And if you want to see more drawing examples, check out our other videos, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share this video with a friend. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.